Hello, here you are. This is my Google Sites page. Sites are the same as wiki spaces wikis. They are web pages like Facebook, and I've made one for your class. You'll notice I have ANP1 Lacrosse, Minnesota, ANP2 Lacrosse, ANP2 Minnesota. And I have some other ones here on this page that I've done in the past, used in the past. So what's going to happen is you're going to get an invitation to one of these uh, wikis, one of these Google sites. And so I'm going to show you the site. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite you and you'll join up. And then you'll be able to go to these different pages depending upon which class you are in. And you will be able to write this book. This is like a Facebook page with subpages, or it's like any book with subpages. So let me show you, for example, what we will be doing. So we'll go to the first page here. This is the cover page, and I've got some links here for you to look at. And I'll show you those in class. You can look at them. And they're, links that can supplement your textbook and so forth. And they are active links, so you can look at them. Okay. Now, I'm not going to edit this page at this time, but here's the navigation buttons up here. You can add a page, open actions menu. There are other things you can do. So you might want to make your own Google site and practice on it if you'd like. Now, if I go to the first page, which is where ANP2 will start, I have actually set up the big ideas, an outline. What you're going to do is you're going to find stuff on the internet, then you're going to edit page, and then go under these different sites and add things. And once you've added things or you've cut and pasted them from other sites, including diagrams, charts, you can even embed videos. I'll show you that in class. But you're going to write this book. And we're going to do this in class, but you can also do it at home. And then once you've edited and added something, add your name to it. Put it in the parentheses so that we know who did what. You can also pick a special color by looking at this text color up here. Choose a color that you want for your text when you're typing your name or whatever. And then you click Save, and it's there. Anytime this happens, I have a copy. We will all have copies of this. And don't worry about screwing things up. We can fix it. We can even go back to past versions with Google Sites. So it works pretty well. So when you look in your book for your reading assignments and look on your Blackboard for your reading assignments, this is going to be your first chapter, all about blood. And these are the main topics that are most important to learn about. You can find the same information, maybe even better displayed on the internet. So I would expect you then to put things under each of these areas as you find things, and everybody should have at least one good job every week. And I'll show you some other examples of this, okay? So let me go back to Google Sites. Here's one that was done by Environmental Science. Oh, wait a minute, I didn't do that. Never mind, never mind. Back to Google Sites. Here's one that I did with some other people. So we put our pictures on the cover page. You can insert your pictures. And we made various pages. And so if we go to one of the pages, this is what one of the students did. So put all this information on. You can do the same thing. We'll play with this in class so that you'll be able to see how to do it and won't be afraid of it. Okay? So that'll be good. and I'll see you in class and hope you can make it through this cold weather.